Greetings to all viewers. I, Yash Paliwal, here participating in first online elocution competition organized by Legal Aid Center, University of Lucknow, to speak on the theme of TeleLaw Scheme and COVID-19 lockdown. What if I tell you that there is a facility called legal counseling and which can be accessed anytime or anywhere, and so many people are using it now? In this time where we are homebound because of COVID-19's lockdown, fortunately yes, there is a platform called TeleLaw Scheme by which you can access to have legal counseling by lawyers anytime, anywhere, right onto your phone call. TeleLaw Scheme is an effort to make legal aid accessible to the marginalized communities and citizens residing in rural areas. The scheme envisages the use of communication and information technology for the delivery of legal information and advice. This is a medium of interaction between lawyers and citizens through video conferencing or telephone mode. The service seeks to provide legal assistance to citizens at their doorsteps through the infrastructure of common service centers present at rural locations. The concept of TeleLaw is to facilitate the delivery of legal advice through a panel of lawyers stationed across India at common service centers office and at state legal authorities. States covered under TeleLaw services schemes are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura and Uttar Pradesh. Now let's see how TeleLaw scheme works. The scheme enables rural citizens to seek legal advice and counseling from lawyers available through video conferencing or telephone facilities. For northeastern states, Jammu and Kashmir states and aspirational districts, the panel lawyers are provided through common service centers, while for the state of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, the panel lawyers are made available via NALSA at the state capitals. Let's talk about implementation in steps. Step 1. Gathering of paralegal volunteers who will help in making communication. Step 2. Giving awareness to citizens. Step 3. Meet at common service centers. Step 4. Registration of cases along with scheduled appointment for consultation and making of payment receipt. Step 5. Person arrive at a specific date and time for consultation. Step 6. Teleconsultation by expert. Step 7. Case closed. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. People are eligible for free legal service through TeleLaw only if they are eligible under Section 12 of Legal Service Authority Act 1987 that include women, children, persons belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, victims of trafficking, mentally ill and differently abled people, victims of natural disaster or ethnic violence, workers in unorganized sectors or industrial workers under trials and people of low income group, and for all others a nominal fee of ₹30 will be charged. Now let's see what responsibilities volunteers and professionals have to perform. First, identify different platforms at the village to disseminate information about the scheme. Second, tell citizens about the benefit of consultation through video conferencing, phone call and instant phone call provision. Third, identification of citizens or cases for legal advice. Fourth, listen carefully to the problems or grievances of citizens. Fifth, convince citizens about the confidentiality of their grievances. Sixth, facilitate teleconsultation with lawyers through video conferencing at common service station. Seventh, should maintain confidentiality and not disclose any data or information without permission. At present, TeleLaw service is available in 28,060 common service centers in 115 aspirational districts across 28 states in the country. Now let me walk you through with the TeleLaw's recent case under COVID-19's lockdown. Prem Kumar, a resident of Punjab's Moga district, had called the local center saying he had no money to buy ration. Panel lawyer Aksh Basra gave him the government helpline number. According to a Department of Justice official, ration was delivered at his doorstep by the local administration. People like him living nearby and facing similar problems were also provided assistance as said by the official. In Tripura, offensive remarks were being posted against Sanjay Devnath after he questioned a post on a WhatsApp group which claimed that several people who flew in from Manipur were coronavirus infected. Based on the advice of a panel lawyer, Devnath approached the local police station with a complaint and printouts of the conversation. The person who posted the alleged fake news and the offensive remarks was made to apologize. From a daily wager in Punjab who need ration to a man in Tripura abused on messaging group for challenging fake news, several are using 2017 government TeleLaw scheme to get help and legal advice during the COVID-19 induced lockdown. In fact, in its latest monthly report of month May, around 2,400 people in total attended the training program and 2,24,002 cases were registered with 2,11,540 number of advices were given all over the nation. To conclude my speech, TeleLaw is really a great scheme introduced by the government with the help of NALSA and CSC e-governments, which aims to connect citizens with lawyers through video conferencing facilities by paralegal volunteers stationed at identified 1800 panchayats. Through this scheme, legal counseling has been made easy and accessible to remote areas of our nation, and also it is effectively free and cheap for lower income people. It reminds me what former president of USA, Barack Obama, once said, that the internet is not a luxury anymore. It is necessities. Hence, we can say that this scheme is really helping marginalized people, and through its program held at different places, people really seem to be aware of the laws and seem of the country. Thus, the government should launch more of such types of schemes for minor income people and should promote it so that large number of people can join and take benefit from this type of schemes.